fresh for the weekend. Get a fit, never wear it again. Walking out of the dispensary in Blue Barn. Know the receipts are longer than my arm. 10-gallon Stetson, bring out my charm. And shrooms keep me in peace, so no harm done. Remember being on the run before phones were so much fun. I wish you could see. Know it's hard to believe the shit I say, but it's a new day. Trying not to sin, riding around Devil's Den in a hot box Chevy. Tell your friend to get ready, and it better not be drunk as Betty. Pounds in the trunk, sitting heavy. Cig in my lap, always ready. Ain't talking about tobacco, but without it I'm an asshole. And they yellow and gold, or they black and silver. Quick to deliver what you need. I got that G or D, or they beat that shit ain't for free. Off the wall, fresh for the weekend. Get a fit, never wear it again. Walking out of the dispensary in Blue Barn. Know the receipts are longer than my arm. Too much hate, y'all better quit. For your sake, y'all know I'm lit. Didn't mama tell you not to play with matches? With a savage, with a bad bitch, smoking on some cabbage. Give me a beat and I get at it. On the streets, like a motherfucking addict. And fresh designer fabric. Man, y'all so tragic. Abracadabra. Man, I have y'all looking sad cause all y'all fucking mad cause you know I'm chillin' in the hills, feeling like a billion. Better yet a trillion. You already know I go with the flow wherever I wanna go with a big booty hoe right by my side, living a luxurious life. What you know about it? It's just having a ride. Off the wall, yeah, you never fucking know. Street pole stepper on another level. Off the wall, fresh for the weekend. Get a fit, never wear it again. Walking out of the dispensary in Blue Barn. Know the receipts are longer than my arm.